Back here at home, got to get a check of our forecast in North Alabama. It is a roller coaster.
Yeah, it's not going to exactly feel like North Alabama much longer.
Feeling more like the frozen tundra over the next few days, at least compared to what we're used to seeing in October. But this morning on the Way 31 Skycam Network, it is an overcast start, and that's the reason why our temperatures for now are pretty mild. Upper 50s to low 60s, so maybe a light jacket heading out the door. But as we go through the day today, that cooler air will start to move in. We'll stay dry, though, on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. We'll zoom things out across the eastern U.S. You see that cold front continues to move to our south this morning, and that cloud cover will eventually move out, and once that cooler air moves in, you'll definitely notice that chill, especially by the afternoon today. High temperatures this past weekend were in the upper 70s, low 80s in a few spots. Well, we're going to be about 10 to 15 degrees colder than that today. Upper 60s, we'll call it 68 to be exact. Clearing skies, should have a good bit of sunshine by the lunch hour, and we'll drop those temperatures quickly to near 59 by 6 o'clock this evening. So let's break down each of those overnight lows for the next 7 days. There's 3 days in particular where we have that frost and freeze potential: tonight, tomorrow night, and Wednesday night. Tomorrow night is when those temperatures bottom out. 28 is our forecast low tomorrow night, Wednesday morning. Keep in mind, though, that's here in the city. A lot of outlying areas will wind up in the low to mid 20s tomorrow night and heading into Wednesday morning. So 3 days in that frost freeze range, and then we'll start to warm things back up, not just with those overnight lows, but also those afternoon highs as well. Future radar with those temperatures shows that cooler air moving in as the clouds move out. Highs in Alabama in the mid 60s today, although if you're in our southern Tennessee counties, perhaps the low 60s. That is it later on. Overnight lows near freezing tonight like we talked about, so take care of any sensitive plants or vegetation you might have. Reminder that freeze warning is in effect tonight, and I would expect another freeze warning in effect for tomorrow night as well. Look at these high temperatures, though, on Tuesday. It'll be the coldest day we have seen since January or February. Many of us will stay in the low 50s tomorrow, and I would not be surprised, especially if you live along the Alabama-Tennessee line, if you stayed in the 40s all day tomorrow. That's despite a good bit of sunshine. And then we'll start to warm things up day by day by day, beginning on Wednesday. Need to rake some leaves out of the yard. Should be just fine for the next few days. No rain chance in your 7-day forecast. A bit breezy today. Could have those gusts around 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. Same story goes for your Tuesday. And then that wind starts to subside just a little bit by Wednesday. So there is that temperature roller coaster. We mentioned those overnight lows will start to warm up later this week. Same story goes for those afternoon highs. We bottom out at 54 tomorrow, 60 on Wednesday, 65 Thursday, and we're back to more typical late October temperatures in the low 70s by Friday. And as you look at the 7-day forecast, well, it'll almost feel warm again. Go figure. 76 Saturday, 78 on Sunday. But until those warmer temperatures arrive, that winter chill is here to stay for the next 2 to 3 days. Make sure you bundle up.
All right, Carson, thanks so much. 6:50 right now on your Monday morning.
Up next is your Way 31 Fastcast. We'll be right back.